I've just published a working document setting out our thinking, planning and challenges for the next steps for education in Wales. It does not, and I will not, set an arbitrary date for when more pupils will return to school. Believe me, nothing would please me more than seeing our schools return to normal. Nothing would make me happier than seeing our classrooms full once again. But setting a date before we have more evidence, more confidence and more control over the virus would be the wrong thing to do. Your government here in Wales will, on May 28th, review our stay-at-home regulations. And today I wanted to share how any decisions relating to education will be reached. It is clear that any operational changes will be complex with many conflicting considerations. When we are ready to move into the next phase, I will ensure enough time is allowed for preparation and for teachers to carry out any necessary training. We will work with local authorities to ensure that essential cleaning and hygiene procedures are in place. All of our challenges are connected and will require a series of decisions both at national and local levels. My principles for making these decisions remain the same, with the safety of learners, teachers, lecturers and other staff being paramount. I do not expect anytime soon that schools or other education settings across Wales will be open for all learners from all years, all week. But I'm sharing this working document to be as transparent as possible. I want you to know the extent of the issues related to the next phase. And I want you to know that we're using this time to plan. My officials are working with scientists, public health experts, teachers, other education providers, the trade unions and local authorities to consider options for the next phase. The work published today is focused on schools, but provides a basis for other sectors, which share many, but not all, of the characteristics and challenges. When decisions are made, as I have promised, you will hear directly from me, and I would really appreciate it if you could share this message to help inform others.